is our certification week. It's the most exciting week of the whole school year for us.
Everything looks pretty good.
To become a certified welder means you have to pass a skills test, but it can only be administered by a certified welding inspector.
Got a crisp line on the brake. Great job, Pat.
What it's doing is showcasing the students' talent. This shows that not only have they been learning the right ways, but it shows that they can do it the right way. It solidifies the connection also between the career centers, the community, and the workforce.
Going into a job, like I've already known how to weld. I work at Calder Brothers. I got the job through here. They came here, interviewed me, took the weld test, and they gave me the job.
The opportunities are endless right here.
G+ initiative for Greenville County is graduation plus a certification.
Broke all the way in, got great penetration.
Last year we set a whole new record with 708 certifications out of the program, so we're always striving to become better. This is all the different certifications that we teach and how we report them. 200 for the first day.
When they pass that first certification weld,
1 inch, 2.5.
the look in their eyes, it's a special thing.
Get into welding. You're in the golden age of welding right now. It's the greatest trade in the whole world.